Let's learn how to make a Twitter or X account private. If you've ever found yourself wanting to make your Twitter account private but didn't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you won't have that problem. The first thing you need to do is open the Twitter app. When Twitter is open, make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to set to private. Once Twitter is open, click on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. When you click on your profile picture, a page with several options will open. On that page, you need to click on the last option, which is Settings and Support. When you click on that option, 3 more options will appear, and you need to click on the first option, which is Settings and Privacy. When you click on that option, a page with many options will open, but most of those options are useless for this tutorial. For this tutorial, you need the option Privacy and Safety. When you click on it, a page with more options will open. On the page that opens, you need to click on the first option, which is Audience and Tagging. When you click on that option, a page with 3 options will open. Out of those 3 options, you need to enable one option, which is Protect Your Tweets. To enable it, click on the button located to the right of the Protect Your Tweets option. When you click it, only people who follow you will see your posts, which means your profile is private. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.